Hey guys, Tech Chat TV here. So Samsung just unveiled the Exynos 2100 and let me say that chip is looking extremely promising for 2021. The Exynos 2100 is a 5nm chip, which means that it's extremely power efficient. Compared to last year's 7nm Exynos 990, the 5nm Exynos 2100 gives you a 10% increase in performance and 20% less power consumption. The Exynos 2100 consists of 8 powerful cores. These are the ARM Cortex-X1 running at 2.9 GHz, 3 high-performance A78 Cortex cores, and 4 power-efficient A55 Cortex cores. To further optimize the Exynos 2100, the chip offers a better memory, a stronger scheduler, and efficient voltage control. This means more than a 30% increase from last year's Exynos chip. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see the GPU made by AMD today, but that doesn't mean that the new and improved GPU can be slept on. The Exynos 2100 integrates ARM's most powerful GPU called the Mali G70A. It has 14 incredible power graphics engines, offering more than 40% better graphics performance than last year's generation. We all know that all these improvements will come at a great battery cost, which is why Samsung has introduced a new power saving mode called the Amigo. This stands for Advanced Multi-IP Governor. It helps your battery keep up with the intense graphics operations like gaming, 3D rendering, and AI. Apart from this, Samsung didn't elaborate further on Amigo, so I guess we'll have to wait and see what the benchmark comparison will be between the Exynos 2100 and Apple's A14 Bionic chip. Let me know what you guys think of the video and if the Exynos 2100 will beat Apple's A Bionic 14 chip. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.